Okay, good morning. So, may nag-request kung paano gagawin ang portrait at landscape orientation sa isang document sa Microsoft Word. So, start natin. Open tayo ng Word document, blank document. So, kung mapapansin dito, naka-default siya na portrait orientation. Okay, lagyan natin. So, this is my sample document with portrait orientation. Okay. So, on the next page, I will insert table. I will insert a table here. I will change the format of the table. So I want this page to be in a landscape format. So, punta lang tayo dito sa end ng first page, then layout. Dito sa gilid, expand natin ito. Okay, apply to at this point forward, then click landscape. Alright. So, kung mapapansin natin, naging landscape orientation na ang ating table. So, my table is in a landscape orientation. Okay. So, kung mapapansin natin, kapag pinaliit natin, naka-portrait yung first page while the second page is in a landscape orientation. So what if yung third page gawin ulit natin siyang portrait? So the same process, punta lang tayo sa layout, expand natin ito, portrait natin yon, and then apply to, piliin natin yung this point forward, and then okay. So, balik na siya sa portrait orientation. So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So, in a document, pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng portrait and landscape orientation. Thank you!